What's up, guys? It's Rico here, CEO of SourceFind Asia, co-host of the Main in China podcast, and the host of the SourceFind Asia YouTube channel, of course. But I'm also going to be your host for the SFA Digital Summit, and today is day one, so welcome. We're going to be covering market research and building a brand. So we have anything from crowdfunding to Amazon FBA to general e-commerce. We're going to be covering marketing for Amazon FBA, building an Amazon FBA business that you can sell, how to understand your market, how to target your market. And I don't know about you guys, but like for me, I can't get my day started without some green juice and coffee. So we're going to get green juice right now before we get into the presentations.
Why are we really discussing market research at all, right? Why are we doing this? Why does this even matter in the long run, right? Can I just put my idea up and people will back it? The answer is unfortunately no. As an entrepreneur, you're always looking to generate more revenue, right? More money and decrease risk. For the lowest risk that you can possibly have, you want to pre-sell your product so that you know that people actually want to pay the money for that product before you make it. Again, essentially you're getting people to help pay you for your inventory. Sure, you might think that your product is the coolest thing in the world, right? But honestly, there's no proof that someone in this new market will actually pay money for it. Imagine paying tens of thousands of dollars to make thousands of items to be shipped to a warehouse in the US, only to find out that there's actually no demand for it at all. And all these thousands of products that you have made are just left sitting in a warehouse, just eating into any revenue, any possible profit you might have. With crowdfunding, you can actually capture pre-orders and use that seed money to inject into manufacturing, shipping these tried and true products to people. And this is kind of the new age direct-to-consumer business model that exists through crowdfunding. And with a crowdfunding campaign, through Kickstarter, through Indiegogo, success comes from the crowd itself. It's truly not what you think will work, but rather what the crowd, again, the market wants. And one of the best ways to find what the market wants is to literally track down things that have worked before in the past, and also track down things that haven't worked in the past and understand what your potential customers think before you go all in. And again, the best way to do all this, you probably guessed it, it's market research, right? So this slide here says that you can't launch something in a vacuum, right? This is a really, really important idea. By doing the research, you'll learn more about the market and your competitors. You'll also find a ton of commonalities between projects within your niche, and you'll also find a ton of, no-nos of kind of project failures that might have come before you. And that's kind of the foundation for making any well-informed decisions and developing effective strategies.